Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my channel Niki Art. Today I'm using, it's actually a table mat, 16 inches in diameter. We get them from Kmart in Australia. I don't think you've got Kmart in the US anymore, but we've got heaps of Kmarts here and they're ideal to get these. They're very thin MDF and they make great clocks. So yeah, they're very useful. So I've just put down some low sheen white wall paint, and that's Holcroft black acrylic with my pouring medium. This is Jo Sonja Aqua. And this is the Piggy. It's a mixture of Groovy and Fairy Floss. They're both pigments from the Sheleeart company, and I've also put in 7 drops of Quinacridone, so hard to say that word, Atelier Freeflow Magenta. Pop in some air bubbles. This is the Piggy in Comet, which is an interference duotone pigment. It's sort of a pinky red and gold, depending on which way you look at it. This is Atelier Interactive in Pthalo Turquoise, and I'm swiping with it's a self-mixed colour of Titanium White by Amsterdam, and just a touch of turquoise by Amsterdam as well, just to make it a very, very, very pale aqua. But my light seemed to wash it out and it does look white. You can, when I first swipe, you can see it's blue, but then afterwards, after I've spun, it just looks white, but it is a very pale blue. Okay, I'll put some music on and let you watch.
Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Only time will tell. Why do you keep telling me nothing? But I know all your flaws, at least they say something. Still I try to connect with you through your eyes. Your eyes. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. I still want all of you and I know all your colors. And I guess 'cause of that I can think of no others. Yeah, I need you to breathe. Without you I'm lost. I'm lost, yeah. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Only time will tell. Work it out. something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Ooh, only time will tell. Ooh, tell. Ooh. I get the vibe that you're distant. There's something about you that's different. I see it in your eyes. Something isn't right. Tell me again what I'm missing. 'Cause you're fading on. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. It is a lie when you tell me
Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for being here with me. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much. Please like and share and subscribe if you haven't already. And take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.